Welcome to another video from Harry's Hobbies, and today I'm just going to be doing a little bit of repair work, and that's on a diorama that was damaged when it got moved around. So, and that little diorama is this one. And the motorcycle and the rider figure that come with it were knocked over. And this is done in 1/12 scale. This is the Yamaha Roadstar motorcycle. And the 1/12 figure. And that's really the only thing that was damaged other than it getting a little dirty because I've been putting off doing anything with it. So the first thing to do is I'm just going to take a paintbrush that's got kind of light bristles on it. And I'm going to brush off the dust as much as I can on some of this stuff. And that's to help with the glue to stick a little bit better. Oh man, it did get dusty. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the bike itself. And then wheel it straight so I can get in between here. And get the dust off as much as possible. Set that off to the side and I'll get the figure out. And we'll do the same thing with the figure. And get the dust off of him as well. And there's the figure. This is a 1/12 figure from Yamaha. Kind of hard to find this dude too. But look around a little bit and you can find him. I added a chin strap to the helmet because it doesn't come with one. And that's just a piece of, believe it or not, that's just a piece of paper cut down to be in scale. The jeans were done using a flat blue and then dry brushed over with some gray. Same with the jacket, flat black and a dry brush with gray. And I'm not very good at detailing faces, so the face isn't all that well detailed. I was hoping to get some glasses at some point and put over that, but I never did. So, back to the main part of the diorama. You can see I've got a old fuel pump here. And this is supposed to look like something that was just left over, and this guy happened upon it while he was out riding around and managed to get a photographer to take a picture of it. And I'm going to pull up the old hot glue droplets here from the previous installation, because that's where it broke off at, and it's not surprising. Oh, that was good. Just broke the guy in half, and that's not going to be a problem. See, and there it is. You never know when you're going to break something on any model, rebuild, whatever you're doing. Fortunately, I've got the glue to fix it right close by. I use the Gorilla Glue, as I use in a lot of my models. You've seen me, if you watch some of my videos, you've seen this in use in other videos before. Make sure that this is shook up. And then I'm just going to run a nice, generous maybe. Beaded this around where it was at before. And then this will just sit right back in place. Where he was before. And then we have our figure. We're going to get him placed back to where he was before. And that's done using the hot glue. And I don't put it directly on the diorama itself, I put it on the feet. Give it a generous little dosing of the hot glue. And the hot glue kind of sets up quicker, so you want to line it up and get it in place pretty fast. And the same with the motorcycle. When I get it ready to get back on, I'll be putting the hot glue onto the tires itself, and I'll hold that in place until it sets up real good. I put a generous dose of the hot glue on the front and the rear. Get that to seat back in place. And then I hold that while it's setting up. And then we have a pretty simple repair job on a diorama that had just gotten a little bit of damage when it was moved around. So I'll take some photos of this and pop it up at the end of this video in a slideshow. But that's pretty much it for this one. So again, if you have any comments, criticisms, suggestions, whatever, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to respond. Or I just appreciate all of them. But that's it for this one. This was kind of a test video for the first shot out of the new setup that I've got here. So thanks for watching.